HR professionals can foster a mentally healthy workplace by setting policies that prioritize mental well-being, such as flexible working hours, free psychological consultations, and mental health days. However, these initiatives may not be very effective without close cooperation with the business. I believe HR can educate leaders on recognizing and addressing mental health issues, providing them with tools to help create a supportive and inclusive workplace culture.
Organizing focus groups allows HR to gather in-depth insights from diverse employees. Besides this, regular anonymous surveys provide a broader view of workplace attitudes. HR should also be present in team meetings. They should observe dynamics and demonstrate their commitment to employee well-being. Establishes continuous feedback loops ensure employees feel heard and see real action taken. This reinforcing a culture of safety and trust. Equally important, training managers regularly on this topic is crucial. It equips them with the tools to support their teams effectively.